Bola-bola mengasut ceremaya. Abang bola melibos ya bola. Sebenarnya kun kita tina mau satu bola tu melecet. Aturan saja dengan matentu. Boleh lewat wana aturan presiden di. Betul-betul aturan mereka matele wana aturan nanti mau aturan tu kimbol tangani.
Tambu alebu ya ini.
Aturan saja kepada ini matentu. Aturan Prime Minister. Nung ni puno sa baturang ng baru-baru apa naman turang ratu na tinawat. Ang nagdala sila sawat, ang botemikir na mayola lagi Papua New Guinea. Ang mga sabto mikir na nawaga di Bibalilegi, ni Bonua, may mikir na natawag kay Port Moresby, manimindala sa Karitabi, o niya karib sa tumikir. Yung sa babi pinakabalam na lumibiti, yang orang Indonesia itu nongol nama itu besar lagi belum nak yang marot. Kim sasalapan na bola mata. Pwede na rito oleh lo. Uli ka na newspaper. Na oso. Kaya sa mendrea kisa victim tani matang ini tu ni tak. Kim sa rito na oso ni kim mo babi binaka. Ni apa yang ni lo ko manakito ko besi ni pingarabi. Muni mitu ka ng bosi Papua New Guinea. Itatapos ang may bakalang talong matua. Ni siya ni babae sa taka siya pagkakataka. Ni siya sa talatal mentua. Ni mo sa ramay. Manimiti ka naman sa parte di bitim na kaya di bitim ni. Na maroy ti ni biokani. Na kaya sanay di mo sei. Mesu na kaya na bitaw da. Tay na surin ka na ka. Surin ko ni bibinakati. Maroy ti na kaya na sa buro sulit ka na kilometer ng bulok yan. Aramay rutamento na lumibig sa rosto yung dokumo. Kaya satu yang menibibos lagi. Di sambasi ketika main lain of the unexpected. Ni klaim na ketika masih tiba ini memantaran bukan na boleh kamulah. Ni bosot saya. Saya tu saya mikir kita bisa basuh tu teman-teman ternyata mau bikin ni. Saya tahu di sana di Moses si tiba ini memantaran bukan. Kami sana na Moses ditambah kau kebiti na mongo. Oni tiba tu orang orang bos lawan. Oni ayandi. Oni awalnya. Manili sibira ke mai na elmo mulumo na elmo tua na patule wa matau manili wala ke na bosi dikolo bitim ni manili estar mai manili no batele bina kola ni sibira afo mola biton tumeti ma me kera sangai me ke musa mili raki se mutu ni so me se ke musa bombo tunga entar puno sini ke na kulo bitim bulotin na vale utura ni balu Moses na sar vale na bisereki. Na boleh menunggu bayi orang merungkai tipo, nama totokan ada tipo, dan menunggu yang tipo nasi dengan dibuat. Narela emosi, saya dah biar itu tukuna, baru mana palau timu orang tu. Nanti mahu bagi macam mana kini, sama macam kena orang go, nanti mahu tukun kini mana kini, mending kita buat itu dengan orang kini. Kalau kamu sih, kerana ada waktu lewat menanda. Patuloy mo biso, may sama iya, may kalkele. Nakapag-broke kayo bitsi, may Port Moresby. Sa ulo na po na nipikarabi. May sayas na lang ang biti-biti. Nag-irata yung utaka. Nagtikan mo itin maray sa tamang sa amol. Pinag sa tumay. Musa lumin yan sa tumay. Sa sara-sara tira po na may kimarabit yan. Kibam kayo sa aromal sa tipo. Nung niwala sa biba, kahit mababib na sa balim. Nung sa suwali mustaka, nila nestal may nawa kalipin garagalong kay Papua New Guinea. Nagsarbala ang tunang premista. Nisada pa sa tuman na kami singkang ni ko sa awas tiyo na wekang imundi, na nalumay biti. Sabi tuber sa tiyo na kamunanga, at kami ningalap sa kapaturangan. Kamunanga sa ating paturangan may nabunda paturangan ni Papua New Guinea. Ang sabi di maroy tiyo kubir na mga sabi batu mukha tiyo naman ni kuna paturangan. Lama terutulong na kamunanga may na dindi manua. Dindi tamatan, dindi matalotu. Kaya sa okat di pinstubi sa lima bonotun day, kaya kaya sabi baru rupali tu ay nakunipyo na mapolpe na plum. Kamunanga sa tama turun tumay manamatin dia tolu. Kumuha na may matatong turang na buli malo kikamba. Buli basa wala roma rutun na kayo na buli malo. Buli masaba ang matin tubiya kayo ni matin tunggang na tamata. Nah kalau saya itu kok, Sa kami tumamay na oy tinga niya buka tawa samay. Oy tinga tawa sikin sa tuti ko. Pero tututi ko tilang dali ni puro mo. Teteway na kanamusu. Kami na kanabaw sa mundo na kanabaw na mamarwa. O sa naman turang na ratu. Tinabadar kanino na kanimura sa sana kanitatu.
Yeah. Pula.
Bursa.
Maka.
Una waleu. Au wau na to mandana vendere wa turang wa no sa bagara. Na waleu na kana todo tu. Na kana wa muriti ko na e borau ni be turang taki be tokei man landa bonua. Mai bora tai tika na bonua ni sa mai bora tiu tiu ngo. Ani taki ni da na tale taka todo ko kana marreti ko me I rauti ko nanda be turang taki na bengon mai muri. Me rarai na ngwana sa mai tumu tiu na bonongo. Karai talanga na be kanda ni bonongo. Me rei me kanga embulo bo bina tiu na non rei bo rau turanga bo bonua. Embulo sa tal tunga kina bo kakina. Na ito ni be turang taki bo itu kei me non do bonua. Me do tinga no gitabi ni bo binaka abata na ken lewu. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to be here, and you have honored me with the highest ceremonies of welcome, and I appreciate that very much. On behalf of the delegation from Fiji, I receive the presentations and the accolades and the words and the items presented on behalf of the delegation, who are here on behalf of the government of Fiji, the chiefs and the people of Fiji. We have come to be part of a high-level summit between Pacific Island countries and the Prime Minister of India. We were supposed to be having a second one with the President of the United States of America. But as you all know, or must have all heard and read, America is going through some very difficult times, which necessitate the presence of His Excellency President Biden in America over these last few days and the next few days. He's talking with his congressmen and senators to try and resolve a United States problem. Instead of being here, he has graciously sent his Secretary of State, Mr. Blinken, who's going to be with us on Monday next week. We are very grateful to have this opportunity of talking with two great leaders of the world. Even though the President is not here, coming on his behalf is his Secretary of State. I'm also here because it's my first interaction with my brothers and sisters in the Pacific, although we had had a very brief retreat in Nandi a few months ago, fairly soon after we took up office. You'll probably have heard also that I made a very quick and lightning trip to Kiribati to bring Kiribati back into the Pacific Islands Forum fold. It was not very difficult because their heart was still with the Forum and the Forum Island leaders and the peoples of the Pacific. There was some misunderstanding and personal differences which prevented the President Mamau of Kiribati and his government from acceding to an agreement that was signed in Suva and called the Suva Agreement between the Pacific Island Forum leaders. Because he did not agree with some personalities involved, he decided not to sign and was going to pull his whole government and territory out of the Pacific Islands Forum. Fortunately, after I presented the normal Fijian protocol of Mataningasau, he accepted and came back and was present at that retreat that we had in Denarau about 3 weeks after I visited him. So things are slowly being resolved in the Pacific. At home, you will have heard that we had earlier this week the Girmit Day celebrations on the 15th of this month. We also had the Rotuma Day celebrations on the 13th, on the Saturday. I couldn't go to Rotuma, so I had asked His Excellency the President to represent the government in Rotuma. But he had just, prior to that, he was just coming back from London, where he attended on behalf of Fiji the coronation of King Charles III. All these things are happening over a very short period of time. And we will get back to Fiji in time for the resumption or the resurrection of the Great Council of Chiefs. They will be meeting over 2 days, and it will be the first meeting after so many years. And the chiefs are happy, the people are happy, and I believe it is the will of God that we should resurrect the Council of Chiefs and allow the chiefs to deliberate on matters important to us as a people, to us as a nation. Also later on, we will be celebrating Ratsalalu Skuna Memorial Day. It is the day when we remember the illustrious sons and daughters of Fiji, chiefs and people who have sacrificed so much during their lifetime towards the people of Fiji and its development from colonial days, and we will embrace the idea of celebrating such great deeds as the people who have gone before us, who led the country in the transition from being a colonial power or from being a colony to independent nationhood. And I remember particularly the late Ratu Sekami Mara. And you all know that as we mentioned Ratu Sekami Mara in Papua New Guinea, everybody just links up the two names of Ratu Sekami Mara and Grand Chief Sir Michael Somare. They were founding leaders of the Pacific. And I'm also very fortunate to be back at this time, continuing with the association we have had with our Melanesian brothers and sisters. Some of you may know that Fiji was not an initial or a founding member of the Melanesian Spearhead Group, but came in a few years after, when I was Prime Minister, first time around, after the 1992 general elections. When I became Prime Minister then, I was the youngest leader in the Pacific. When I came back into office on the 24th of December last year, I became the oldest leader in the Pacific. So it is a lot of fun when I see the younger leaders in the Pacific performing just as credibly as their predecessors, I'm very, very happy. They still accord me the Ngasini Wasawasa respect, and I accept that. And I also accept the fact that they acknowledge Fiji as a valuable partner in discussions concerning the Pacific and our joint concerns, our collective concerns, as we talk to world leaders. And we're all looking forward, and I'm sure you will also be looking forward to hearing Prime Minister Modi when he makes his announcement in the next few hours. So you will enjoy it, you will like it, and the people in Fiji will celebrate what he's going to say when he makes his speech. We struggle on in Fiji. It'll take us some time to repair the damages that we have brought upon ourselves as the nation. We allowed ourselves to be led the way we have been led over the last 16 or so years, and we now are facing the consequences, but are now coming through to making some restorations of what we called normality in those days. We're trying to get back there, but it's going to be very costly and it's going to be very hard. And I have called upon those of us that stay on in Fiji and those in the coalition government. It's not going to be easy. It will be difficult. We will hear many unkind words, but we have to be prepared to weather those. Anybody vying for leadership must be prepared to take the good and the bad. And we are prepared for that. I am prepared for that. And I'm sure my team is also prepared to weather the storm and look forward to better seas and seasons in the years ahead. I'd like to thank you very much. I said that in accepting the Tambua. Thank you all very much for the remittances you sent home. Thank you very much for holding high the flag of the nation as you're here among our brothers and sisters of Papua New Guinea. You've done us proud. Please continue to do that. One wrong move from any of you will create some doubt about how good a neighbor Fiji is to Papua New Guinea. So please look after the name of the country you are so proud of. We are proud of you, and we thank God for your lives, and we pray that God will continue to bless you.
Secretary